Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is yogurt and cucumber salad or sauce, whatever you want. And it's very simple. And the best thing about this recipe that there's no measurements. I have cucumber here, finely chopped, and yogurt. And I'm gonna add 1 small clove of garlic and dried mint. A little bit of salt. Add salt to your taste. It's totally up to you. Add the yogurt, and there you go. Just mix it. I like to eat this with kebsa, and if you haven't seen my kebsa recipe, please do. It's linked in the eye, and I like to eat it with other rice dishes mainly. And yeah, you can use thick yogurt, you can use sour cream instead, you can use whatever you want in this recipe. It's totally up to you. And that's it. This is the final result. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that subscribe button if you did, and see you very soon. Bye!